type 3 examples where the denominator contains a term like ax plus b, a term like ax plus by, where a and b can be any real numbers. So in the given example, it is 3x plus y, and the second term is 3x minus y. Okay, so this is type 3, where the denominator contains terms like this. Okay, again, this is why it is type 3, because this is not a linear equation. These two equations are not the linear equations in two variables. If you simplify, you don't get linear equations. But again, the same explanation I'll give you. These problems also can be solved using the technique of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so let us start discussing the solution of this example. This is the first equation given. This is the second equation given. I am considering, let me put this term in bracket, this also in bracket. This I am going to rewrite as 1 by 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y. Here again 1 by 2 is written separately and 1 upon 3x minus y is written separately, equal to minus 1 by. I am considering this bracket as a and this as b. So this equation becomes a plus b equal to 3 by 4. A plus b equal to 3 by 4. Okay, cross multiply, you get 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This is the easier equation to be solved. And the second equation becomes 1 by 2 into this full bracket is a. So in other words, you can say 1 by 2 into a means a by 2. This will be b by 2. So a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. The denominators are same, so LCM will be 2. A minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 by this 2 and this 8, they cancel each other, you get 4 here, cross multiply, you get 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1 here. So this is of the type 4a plus 4b, this is 4a minus 4b, easy to solve. Now, it is easier to eliminate 4b because it is plus 4b and it is minus 4b. So we add equation 3 and 4. Therefore, we have written adding 3 and 4. Let us see what we get. 4a plus 4a will be 8a plus 4b and minus 4b, they cancel each other. 3 and minus 1, they add up to 2. Addition of 3 and minus 1 is 2. So you get the value of a is equal to 2 by 8, that means 1 by 4. Let us put this value of a in equation number 3. Here I am putting. Therefore, from 3 you get 4. The value of a is 1 by 4 plus 4b equal to 3. 4b equal to 3. So 4 cancel. You get 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 1 will go to the other side. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 4b is equal to 2. That means b will be 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. You have obtained the values of a and b. Again I am reminding, as I did in the previous example, a and b, the values of a and b are not the required values. Okay, we want to find out the values of x and y. Okay. So a is equal to 1 by 4, but value of a is this one, 1 upon 3x plus y. Okay, so 1 upon 3x plus y is 1 by 4. By invertendo you can say 3x plus y is equal to 4, or you can say by cross multiplication also. Second, value of b is 1 by 2, but the original value of b is 1 upon 3x minus y. This is equal to 1 by 2. Again by invertendo, 3x minus y will be equal to 2. So now these are simple equations to be solved. 3x plus y and 3x minus y. Very similar to 4a plus b, 4a minus b. Similar equations. Okay. Now add equation 5 and 6. 3x plus 3x, 6x. Plus y minus y, cancel. 4 plus 2, 6. 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 1. Let us put this value of x here. We can put it in equation 5 or 6. So I am putting in equation number 5. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 1 are 3, transfer it to the other side, it becomes 1. So value of x is 1 and the value of y is also 1. So therefore 1 and 1 is the solution. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of these equations. Okay, so this is the longest example of linear equations in two variables. Again, some examples will be given to you for homework.